Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela and today we're going to make country ribs and we're going to use the Ninja Foodi. Guys, this doesn't take any time at all. Like seriously, way less than half the time is the oven. And look at those, you guys. Oh my gosh. We are going to be making this. And guess what? It's only 4 ingredients. 4, right? That's crazy. Anyway, welcome in. Let me show you how to do it. Even though we're using country ribs, they turn out super tender, you will see. So I'm just going to arrange 4 of those in the bottom of my pot. Now let's season it up. I'm going to use some Susie Q because that is my all-purpose seasoning. I literally use this stuff on everything. It's delicious. But use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Next, we're going to add some barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's because it tastes delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and squirt that all over the top. We don't need to worry about mixing anything up. And for our final ingredient, we're going to add some soda. I'm using Dr. Pepper. You can use Coke, root beer. Don't use diet. And yeah, or you can use brown sugar if you'd like. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and put our lid on, make sure it's on seal, and we're going to pressure cook that on high for 35 minutes. And we're going to let it do just a natural release for about 10 minutes. Once that pin drops, they are done. So let's open it up. Look at there. All right, but we have one final step. I mean, this is not something that you need to do, but I like to do it just because it just kind of gives it like a little extra flavor. But look how it's just falling apart as I'm trying to pull it out of the pot. It's crazy, right? So we're going to take some more Sweet Baby Ray's, and we're just going to go ahead and spread that all over the top because we're going to put this in the air fryer. So you can also put it in the broiler if you'd like, or you don't need to do that at all. You can totally eliminate this step because they are done. They're totally done. So I decided that I was going to put those back in the air fryer, and I did it with my hands. I know it's kind of tacky looking, however, I did it with my hands because it was falling apart all over the place. So we're just going to go ahead and close that up. We're going to air fry this for about 7 minutes or so. It doesn't take very much time. So, and like I said, this is totally optional, but look at that. What a huge difference it makes. Oh my goodness. All right, stay tuned for my most favorite part. Can you believe how quickly we got these done? I mean, wow, that didn't take hardly any time at all. Let me get you a bite right here. This one right here. Go ahead, that one's for you. Pretty good, right? So good. All I can say is, wow, these are amazing. 4 ingredients, seriously, didn't take hardly any time at all. Also paired it with some scalloped potatoes. I've done these before in the air fryer. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the iCards above. But oh boy, these are air fryer and they are just delicious. And the green beans, I made mine with green beans. It just has a little bit of olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and garlic, and that is it. Should have added a little bit of red pepper flake. That would have been really good too. But you guys, this is a phenomenal dinner. Didn't take us very much time at all to make, like literally at all. But anyway, I am going to go devour because there's a lot on my plate right here. Can you believe that's all from me? Wow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That would really make me happy. And please give the video a thumbs up. That would certainly warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now. Good, huh, George? Good, huh? Want a bite? Oh. There you go. Oh boy. Yeah, Mommy dropped some. It's so moist it just fell right on the ground too. Oh, it's a good stuff. Georgie, it's a good stuff. Yeah. You looking for more?